In this Mirion Do-It-Yourself video, we will show you how to make an object transparent in Geometry Composer. To do this, we will use the geometry tree located on the left-hand side of this application. In this example, we will make the detector and sample container transparent. Select the detector listed in the geometry tree at the top. A set of parameters will appear below. Under Styles, click the box next to Transparent. This will make the detector rendering see-through, so you can now see the sample container through it. To make the sample container transparent, do the same thing as was done for the detector, except select Beaker. Click the box next to Transparent, and now you can see the sample activity level within the container. Use these steps for any other object you would like to make transparent.
For further assistance, please call 1-800-255-6370.